Hello trader. Trading with the trend will always be the most profitable binary options option. You can get profit both on the rise and fall of the price. Let's see how it works in the mobile version of vfxAlert. To start trading, install the vfxAlert mobile version for Android or iOS from the website. Then we select the Pro version of the signals. We recommend starting with the standard package. All program features are available immediately after payment. vfxAlert allows you to trade as you like. Just add your broker to the program and continue to get profit. As an additional confirmation of the signal, we will use the trends indicator from vfxAlert. Using it, we determine the direction of the trend on the working time frame, its strength. If there is confirmation, look at the technical indicators of the strategy. The strategy uses two technical indicators. Stochastic. The oscillator will assess the current balance between buyers and sellers. The predictor above level 80 minus the end of the uptrend overbought, below 20 minus the end of the downward oversold. Bollinger Bands. The indicator reports the direction and volatility of the current trend, and the horizontal movement of the lines will show flat. In this case, it is better to stay out of the market, especially if the price moves in a narrow channel. When the range dramatically expands, you can use longer 10 to 15 minute signals and increase the transaction volume by 10 to 15%. After installing the indicators on binary options charts, we look at the examples of signals. On the screen, trading signals and open options when the following conditions are met. Call option. The price is above the Bollinger or breaks out from the bottom up. Stochastic is above the level of 80 or turned up. Put option. Opposite conditions. The price is below the Bollinger line or breaks through from top to bottom. Stochastic is below the level of 80 or turned down. First option on Euro-Dollar. Strong call signal on vfxAlert. Let's see the confirmation on trends. There is a confirmation of the signal on trends. Let's move on to technical indicators. Price and Bollinger are moving up, stochastic is in the overbought zone. You can open the call option. Even though you can trade throughout the day. The most profitable results were obtained in the second half of the Europa session and the end of the American session. Trends show the signal displays the last 20 completed signals. There is no data for parabolic and moving average algorithms for minute timeframe signals. Date, the date when the signal appeared. Use this tool to see the trend direction, choose the trading direction and calculate the expiration date for the most profitable option. We will hold a quick trading session and leave the market after 3 to 4 profitable options and no losses. "30 seconds before expiration. Buyers dominate the market with a strong uptrend with no big pullbacks or corrections. This confirms the high reliability of the call signals. The option is in the money. The first option is closed with a profit. We are waiting for the next signal. The next signal for the euro is the pound. Strong enough, look at trends. As for the first option, there is a confirmation of the transaction on the working time frame. On the chart, the trend indicator and the oscillator indicate a strong uptrend, although a brief correction is possible. Open the second call option. The longer the sideways movement of the Bollinger Bands continues, the higher the probability of a strong trend after its completion. In such cases, you can open trades at the first sign of a stochastic reversal and strong signals from vfxAlert and trends. The narrower the Bollinger Band's price channel, the higher the likelihood of strong movement after flat completion. The opposite situation is necessary for trading on the edge of borders. The corridor must be at least 30 to 40 points, otherwise the options will be unprofitable, even if binary signals show the right direction. Expiration soon. The price reversed against the direction of the option, far enough from the opening level. There is no strategy that gives 100% profit, there are always false signals. Option on a crosspair, a quick rollback to profit is possible. There is still time. We are waiting for the next signal. Again, a strong signal for the euro pound. Go to trends to confirm the uptrend. There is a confirmation of the trend on the working, lower and higher time frames. We look at the chart and strategy. The first correction of the trend. Stochastic is turning towards the overbought level. The price is above the Bollinger centerline. The trend will continue, open the next call option, begin to compensate for the losses. Experienced traders can open trades using only stochastic to track the pulse of the market. This approach is more suitable for the stock market, where trends are calmer. In a dynamic forex market, there is always a risk of a quick reversal of even a long-term trend, so consider the data of other technical instruments and signal services. During the publication of important fundamental news and statistics, we do not open options 30 minutes before the news and 30 minutes after the publication. Cautious traders can close current deals. The price is far from the opening level. Even if a reversal begins, There is not enough time to transfer the option to a loss. We are waiting for expiration. The profit almost makes up for the losses on the previous trade. The third option is a plus again. The trend for the euro-pound continues. If there are all confirmations, we will open the third option. Trends confirms the signal. We look at the charts and technical indicators. The trend resumed after the first pullback. Price and Bollinger up. Stochastic is in the overbought zone. All conditions are met, open the third call option. If there is a steady trend, you can open several options with different expiration dates to take the maximum movement with minimal risk. If the broker allows you to close the option before the expiration date, then we will definitely fix the transaction, even if it is in profit. When the opposite signal appears, it is recommended, as with any scalping strategy, to trade manually. This will allow you to correctly respond to market changes, and the If there is profit, we will end the trading session. The market moves to the first short flat after the start of the uptrend. The option is in profit near the opening level. Stochastic in overbought confirms the continued price growth. The decision to stop after the profit is correct. We are calmly waiting for expiration. The last option was closed in profit. Let's summarize. Less than 33 minutes profit $124 or plus of 14% to deposit. It is the very good result.